Experiencing audio issues with your Lenovo ThinkPad docking station? You're not alone. Common problems include no sound, microphone failure, and driver conflicts. These often stem from Windows updates overwriting Lenovo-specific drivers, USB-C connectivity bugs, or simple cable issues. First, try a hard reset. Unplug the dock for 30 seconds. Then, check your audio settings to ensure the dock is selected as the default audio device. Use Lenovo Vantage software for automated driver scans. If issues persist, prioritize certified Thunderbolt 3 cables to ensure proper audio-video transfer. Also, try to only connect one device to the dock. This will make sure there is less strain on the device. If basic steps fail, check Device Manager for driver errors and update them. Ensure your ThinkPad's BIOS is up to date via Lenovo Vantage, as BIOS mismatches can cause audio problems. For persistent microphone issues during remote calls, verify that the correct mic is selected in your conferencing app settings, such as Zoom or Teams. Looking ahead, Lenovo is investing in AI diagnostics and modular docks for smarter firmware updates. Future docks are trending towards all-in-one USB-C ecosystems, reducing jack-based issues. Expect predictive updates via Lenovo Vantage using machine learning to auto-fix audio conflicts. Consider using a powered splitter if multiple devices are connected to resolve possible bandwidth overloads.